Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sunaina Hameed. I am the founder and consultant dermatologist at Skin Health Advanced Dermatology Center in Whitefield, Bangalore. I have been working with LHR based devices since 2007, so this is my 15th year running working with laser hair removal. So the initial devices that we worked with back then were Nd:ARC devices. So they were okay devices. They were giving good results with fair skinned people with thick black coarse hair. The results were good in the first 4-5 sessions, and then once the hair becomes a little more finer, then the results were not there anymore. Then in 2009, we were perhaps one of the early people in India to start working with a diode device. And I could immediately see the advantages of the diode. We were initially very scared to work with a diode with an Indian skin. And here in South India, we work with some really dark skin tones sometimes. But we could clearly see that this is not only safe, but the results were much more better. When I started this center, my own center in Jan 2016, I decided to invest in the Alma Soprano Pro. That was an upgraded version of the Alma XLI. The reason why I decided to invest in the Soprano was not just because I'd worked with Alma Soprano before and I was comfortable with it and I knew it was a good device. It was also because I had briefly in 2014 to 2015 worked with a different diode device and had seen the difference. That particular diode device, the treatments were more painful, so it was sparking and some patients were coming back with a little minor burns. Things picked up very quickly. It was a very popular laser. Practice picked up very quickly. Then in July 2019, I decided it was time to upgrade. So we upgraded to this, the Alma Soprano Ice Platinum device. So the reason why I upgraded was not just because the triple wavelength was the new kid on the block, but one because as the technology advances, it was time for us also to catch up with the newer technology. Also because the triple wavelength has clear advantages. So Alma, the platinum and the titanium devices, they combine the synergistic energies of 3 of the most effective wavelengths. So by doing that in a single device, in a single handpiece, it was targeting all the 3 anatomical structures of the hair follicle, but also effectively on all skin tones, on all kind of hair, the darker hair, the relatively finer hair, thick hair, thin hair, the deeply seated hair roots, the ingrown hair, the relatively superficial hair. So it was giving a more comprehensive and more complete solution. It also has a very advanced and a very powerful inbuilt cooling system. It's a -3 chilled tip. So the treatments are also very, very comfortable for the patient. So the other reason also to continue to have faith in the Alma Soprano devices is because Soprano is also a statement for your clinic. So Alma Soprano, they own the patent for SHR technologies in the world. It has the reputation of being the global leader or the #1 leader with LHR technologies. It is a statement for the clinic because there are patients who come in specifically asking for the Soprano laser. There are patients who have come in because we have the Soprano laser. It is a statement that we care for our patients and we only invest in the best technologies which are there. So in an era where laser hair treatments have been oversimplified and it has come to a time where there are quacks coming to your home to do the treatments, these are class 4 laser devices. So they're very powerful devices. If you want to get the best results from your laser treatments at the safest way, it has to be done with a good device in good hands. With Alma, I have been working with them for many years now. I have had 3 or 4 different Alma lasers myself. So post installation, servicing, and the support has also been excellent. Even with training, even with support and maintenance, we've had an excellent experience. So this has been a wonderful choice. This has been an excellent investment, and this has been a clear leader in laser hair removal technologies. So thank you everyone for listening in and joining in.